Basically, I'm from Darjeeling. It's been 14 years in Hyderabad. I think last year, it's been a year we opened Seven Sisters in Banjara Hills before. So that was our first branch. Now, Seven Sisters represents the entire 7 state of Northeast, including his one brother, like it's called Sikkim. All right. So basically, like our concept is to come up with this. I was really carving for 7 state like delicious food, basically just like momos, a lot of Tibetan items as well. So I really didn't find such kind of items in Hyderabad, and I came on my mind why not to open this kind of place in Hyderabad. So I came especially for the momos and all. Then later menu elaborated. I got wonderful chefs around. Then the menu gone fast, and we added Korean, Japanese, so Malaysian, Thai on the menu again. That's how we came with this. We have a lot of dishes. If I elaborate the menu and our cuisines, if I tell you one by one also, there is a Nepalese. First, I have a more dominating Nepalese menu, so which is called momos. And then it goes to Tibetan again, and we have added more of Bhutanese dish as well, so yamadasis and all. And then it comes to the Burmese noodle soup, which is really famous in Hyderabad, like our khause. Then we came up with dim sums. We come up with a lot of sushis, varieties of sushis. I think we got the best sushis in town. If you see the menu and all, we have a lot of sushi, and come up with a Korean cuisine again.
Working here since the opening, so I know Mr. Kailas from long time ago. We are like friends, so getting an opportunity to work here with him, it's a great pleasure for me. Good platform and friendly environment, homely nature, and all the staffs are very friendly. Since almost all the staffs are from the same northeast side, we have that comfort here. So we can understand each other very well. I like momos, thupas, which are the most moving food here, and it is because that from the childhood only I've been eating those foods in Darjeeling, street foods. No, we just started. It's a third month running. I'm into this industry since 2003. Most of the guests who walks in here, they like it. Like the ambience, the food. Because the ambience is a little bit different from other restaurants in Hyderabad. So it has been decorated in our Darjeeling style. So it gives them a different feeling and different atmosphere.
The guests must try out here. First is momos, then come to sushis. Definitely noodle rice, you get it everywhere, but we have the amazing Burmese noodle soup, and you can try the dim sums also, and we got a Korean kimbap, a lot of bibimbaps, and and I can try yamadasis, which is Bhutan national dish, and it goes really good with the jasmine rice again. Very much safe place, because every days we have morning thoroughly staff checking temperatures and all. Vegetable and all is fully sanitized, washed. place is sanitized, every protocols what you're supposed to follow in the government norm, that's we are following.
In restaurants, specifically in the modern restaurants in cities like Hyderabad, right? So it's good to have, it's good that we have a place like this, which is cozy as well as good, having good ambience as well as a very authentic flavor and taste that we get out of it. Probably once in 2 weeks or so. But anyway, this place is very, very new, right? So we have just, I think I have visited like 3 or 4 times till now, but hoping to visit more often. Definitely, I'd recommend this place to anyone who likes this kind of cuisine, right? So it's very different. You need to have some certain kind of taste for this, right? Specifically for the northeastern cuisine, that where you or even the Southeast Asian kind of flavor, if you like it, then definitely you'll like it. So people who like it, I'll definitely recommend this place.
I definitely wanted to thank our customers, it's been a wonderful, they are supporting in this time also since I started my restaurant. Thank you so much for that.